Hello everybody, Mike Arnold here, co-founder, Pat Trading Partners, along with Bob Iacino. There's not much going on. We didn't do a video yesterday on the cryptos because it was an inside day. This is a daily chart. There was nothing going on. I'm going to zoom in a bit. So you see inside day, which means, again, lower high, higher low than the day before. Now we're just drifting up again today. You can also see how it, let me really zoom in, how it shifted down in the rotation zone, but remember we always watch in the close. So we'll close on the rotation zone, into the rotation zone, close above it, into the rotation zone and slightly through it and closing above it, into the rotation zone, closing above it, into the rotation zone, closing above it, and we're just stair-stepping higher, still finding some resistance right about, what was the high here? The high 98.86, so just below this 98.88 level. Through there, the short-term levels 99.65, 10,042. Then I'd be watching the 10,200 level, and then 10,425 are the next key levels. Key support for the rotation zone now is coming in about 97.10, and the bottom at right about 95.25. So I'm going to dip 95.25. We don't want to see a close below that. If we did, it'd be violating the rotation zone. Then we'd start watching for a move down. But again, we're still caught in this consolidation, although slightly drifting higher again on a closing basis. So let's take a look at Ethereum. Ethereum, here we go. Ethereum dipped in the rotation zone, closing up, testing the rotation zone, closing up, dipped in the rotation zone. Day's not closed yet, but it's still higher than the rotation zone. Key support coming in about 242 on the daily chart for Ethereum, and then the bottom of the rotation zone coming in at 230. So those are your two key levels. Again, we finally got above that 245 level yesterday, and on a closing basis, there's a nice little significant level there. Let me move this out of the way. But the next key area we're really watching where there's selling pressure is about 248.50. So we need to close above 248.50. Then we'd start watching for 253.60, 257.10, and 260.60. This is a short update because there's not much to talk about. It's just holding into this pattern. It's still bullish in both cases because the daily rotation zone is slowly pushing it up. So until we get a close either into the rotation zone or below it, we are still in bullish mode and looking for higher price action. That's what we have for you in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and we'll talk to everyone soon. Bye for now.